Assalamu alaikum Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Masullah, your guys never me. Me is my big sister's brother. May I post this video today. I'm calling out someone out here. Why I'm posting this video today? Karuna Sekpal out of the boxing match. Sekpal, I want you sign the contract, get the pay-per-view done, and the main man coming onto you. I'll show you how to box nicely. Starting this week, the real boxing match coming on August 4th and August 9th in the stadium here in Phoenix, Arizona. The fight is taking place there. Also, on the fight, me and Sekpal go with 1-2-1 boxing match. I'll show you how you guys done with this boxing match. This way, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1. That's how I'm calling on to Sekpal out of this boxing match. Phoenix, Arizona, the fight taking place there on August 4th and August 6th. The fight taking place over there. Link in bio. You guys getting a ticket. You guys not getting a ticket. You guys put it on the fighttv.com. The link on there. You guys want to watch it. I started my boxing now. Then I'm calling a Sekpal out for this. You guys want to come, you guys not want to come, you guys not saying you guys is ticket yet. You guys want to watch it at home on the Fight TV. The link on it. You guys want to come. The ticket to also myself and Sekpal in the Crown Grove in a boxing ring. Like this. Me and Sekpal coming up on August 4th and August 9th to Phoenix, Arizona. The boxing match be there. That's the operator giving you guys be there too also. The boxing match taking place there. The mothers, the grannies, the mothers, the fathers, and also the boxing, the mothers and fathers, cousins, Isha Fatima, Musamil, Sarah, you guys want to come see my boxing match? The office be here, the Phoenix, Arizona, a boxing Sekpal, you guys come in here. I'm ready for the boxing match. Start saying, and August 4th and August 6th in Phoenix, Arizona. You guys want to come? The link and bio here. You get your ticket. Contact me and contact my manager and my lawyer. They giving you the ticket. The ticket be outside to the stadium. You guys getting it. Yeah, guys, what is the ground glow, the back glow, up this thing is, the food court is. The serving food there for you all. As I need my boxing man, as I didn't eat in Aldi now. Yeah, guys, be there. Assalamu alaikum, rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.